So hello everyone. So in this video, I want to show you how we can install the Palo Alto on EVE-NG, which we have installed in VMware. So first of all, let me explain you the topology, how it works. So first is this is our virtual PC. Okay. But this is our hardware PC, and on the top of the hardware PC, I have installed VMware. So what is VMware? VMware is actually your virtualization software. Okay. Suppose if you have one PC and you want to make many computers at the same time, then what you can do, you can take the help of these kind of virtualization software. You can take VMware or you can install VMbox. Okay, there are other many virtualization softwares also like Hyper-V. So all these you can use, and with the help of this, you can make the virtual machines. So what I did, on the top of my PC, I have created one virtual machine where using the virtualization software VMware. Okay, then on the VMware, I have installed the EVE-NG. Now you will say, what is EVE? EVE-NG is basically emulated virtual environment next generation. So it's a network emulation platform. Okay, it's a network emulation platform, means it's a platform where you can create your topology, where you can create a full network where you have routers, switches, firewalls, your PCs, all those things you can club at a one place, and you can create your own topology that you can do into the EVE-NG platform. Now, on the EVE-NG platform, I have installed the Palo Alto and I have created two networks. One is internal and one is the outside. So let's start. Let me show you how I have created this. First of all, I'll let you know how we can download these images, from where we can download these images, and then how we can install this topology on our PC. Okay, so first of all, let me show you. First of all, you need to go to the VMware. Okay, search here VMware Workstation. When you search here VMware Workstation, then this will open VMware Workstation. Now you need to actually log in this. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go to the Broadcom support. Okay. And in the Broadcom support, you need to register with your email ID. Okay. Once you will register it, then you need to go to the products. And from the products, you need to see what you need to download. So we need to download the VMware. Okay. So you can go here. Then, yeah, my downloads. And after my downloads, you need to click here, free software downloads available here. This is actually free and you can download it. So just click here and then you need to select what you need to download, VMware Workstation. In this way, you will get this VMware Workstation Pro, and then it will ask you for which machine you want to download it. So as I have downloaded for Windows, so you can download this one and just download 24H2 for your Windows. Okay. So this I have actually, first of all, downloaded in, and similarly, you need to download the EVE-NG as well. So let me explain you how we can download the EVE-NG. So for EVE-NG, you need to click here and write EVE-NG. And once you will write EVE-NG, then first file will come. And here this evng.net, this is the company name. And then you need to open this website. Once you will open this website, then you need to go to downloads. And then in the downloads, you can scroll down, and free EVE Community Edition version. This you can download, and you need to download this one, direct link. When you download this, then the full EVE-NG setup would download it for you. And on the same place, we have this VMware Workstation Pro as well. If you want to download from there, you can download from there also. Otherwise, you can download it from here also. Okay. So now in your bucket, you have EVE-NG and you have VMware, and you need to download the Palo Alto image also. In the link, I will share the Palo Alto. In the comment section, I will share the Palo Alto link, and you can download the Palo Alto link also, Palo Alto software also from that link. Okay. Okay, so let me explain you now what I did. So first of all, you need to install the VMware Workstation. Once you will install the VMware Workstation, then you need to create a new virtual machine and you need to install the EVE-NG. And how you will do it? Just click on the create a new virtual machine. Okay, select this typical. Then you need to browse the actual ISO image. So wherever you have kept it, make sure that drive has full of memory. You have some memory where you can save this, because if you have memory issue, then obviously it will not take, and you will get the issue later. So first of all, download it and save it in that drive where you have some memory, and then you need to press next, and then it will ask what is the name of that virtual machine. You can make and give it as EVNG. Okay, EVENG, like this. And then you need to give the location. So I have given my location where I have plenty of memory. So I have that location. Similarly, choose that location where you have memory. I don't suggest you to choose C drive, because if you install this in the C drive memory would get full. Okay, so try to install it in that drive where you have good amount of memory. Then you need to press next, and as it's already there in my system, so I'm not showing you how to install it, but it's simple. Just press next and that will be installed. Once it will install, you will able to see EVNG here. Okay, you will able to see EVNG here. Then what you need to do, let me show you, because I've already opened. Now you need to click here. Once you will click here, then it will show you this kind of page. Okay, let me show you what are the settings we need to do here. Make sure you have took the number of processor 1 and at least cores 8, because it's a heavy software. Palo Alto is a heavy software, and we need to install the Palo Alto as well as routers and switches images. So try to change it and make it 8, and take all these also. Virtualize Intel VTE, PT, or this virtualize CPU performance counter, and this also. If you will not select this one, then you will face the issue later on. So try to take all these options. And in the network adapter, make it as network connection as NAT used to share the host IP address. Okay, so make sure you have take this option and then press OK. And after pressing OK, you need to power on your virtual machine. Okay, so in this way it will get. Okay, so the root password is EVE. Okay, and it also gives you a one IP address, and with the help of this IP address, you need to log in it. You need to log in the GUI of this EVNG. So let me show you. I have given root and EVE is the password. Once you will give the credential, then you're able to log in it. See, you are able to log in it. And the IP address of this machine is this. Okay, so I took this IP address and then I have actually logged in this one. Oh, I logged in. I'll show you. This is my, okay. So first of all, I will close it. Okay, so this page would come when you give the IP address here. So you need to give here admin Eve, and don't forget to take the HTML5 console. Okay, so when you click this, this will get open. So actually few things actually I've already took, but I'll show you how we can take this. I'm just deleting it. And I'll show you how we can take this. Okay, so first of all, you need to click nodes. See, there is no configure nodes. Okay, so now click on object, make a network. Okay, and what type of network? We need to take a management cloud 0 and save it. So then you will have this one network, and then you need to add the Palo Alto image. So for the Palo Alto image, what you need to do, you need to see Palo Alto, but see there is no Palo Alto image. There is no Palo Alto image because we have not actually copied any image into the EVNG. How you can see here, just go to network, go to add an object, nodes, and you can see it's grayed out. It's grayed out. So for this, what you need to do, you need to copy the image, first of all, in the EVE-NG. And how you can do that? You can do that from WinSCP. Okay, just open the WinSCP, and then you need to open the secure copy protocol, and then you need to give the IP address here, 192.168. IP address of what? IP address of EVE-NG. Okay, so it's 192.168.48.128. And what the username? Root. And the password would be Eve. Login. I'm able to log in it. Okay. So now you are able to log in it into the root directory of your EVE-NG. This is your root. So now you need to go to, first of all, go to the opt folder, and then in unit lab, and then add-ons, and then KMU. And in I have created one folder, Palo Alto 10.2.3. And under the Palo Alto, I have actually added this image. How you have added? I have added this image. Actually, I have stored that image in my F drive. So from my F drive, I have just drag and drop it here. Just click on here and drag and drop it here. Okay. But make sure the name should be this virtioa.qcow2. If this would not be the name, then your EVE-NG would not take this image. The name should be this only. Okay. And it's written in the EVE-NG document as well. So name should be this, then only it will detect the Palo Alto image. Okay, so here it's named this, but when I actually copy and move it here, I have changed the name. Okay, now just cross it, terminate the session. Now again, go to an add an object, node, and then you need to click Palo Alto. And then when you click PA, now it's not grayed out, it's blue, means the image is there. Okay, so now the setting for this is, please take 2 CPUs and at least 8 GB of memory. So I'm taking it 9,000 here, and more than 8 GB should be there. So that's why I'm taking it 9,000, and CPU should be 2. Okay. And make sure the console should be VNC. So this only 2 settings we need to do, and save it. Now make it here. Click on here. Now you can also add one You can also here VPC. VPC is virtual PC. See, this is not grayed out. This is there. Okay, no need to install because it's there in the EVE-NG image. So how many nodes to add? It's asking. So we can add 2 nodes and nothing else, just save. So 2 nodes being added. Okay, you can make it like this. Now we need to switch on the image. So how you can switch on the image? Just when you are able to see this orange button, just click on it and connect with the net first of all. So it will ask choose interface. So I would choose the management interface here, and other interface I will connect it with the VPC or the switch or the router, other devices. So management, save. Okay. And if you need to connect with VPC, so you can also connect with VPC as well. VPC with 1. Okay. And VPC 2, choose interface for VPC, it's 0. And similarly, you can connect with this also. So right now I have actually connected Ethernet 1 with the VPC and management with this net. Okay. Now right click on it and start it. Okay. Started. Palo Alto is started. And it becomes, once it's started, it becomes orange in color. So just click on it and then you are able to open this. Now just leave it. It will get boot automatically. Okay, you need to wait for some time because it's a very heavy software, around 5 GB of software it is, and it will take some time to get installed. Yeah. So now we are able to log in it. So you need to give here admin, and then password is admin. Okay. No matches. So you need to wait. And the default password for Palo Alto is admin. It will take some time. Actually, it will take some time when we first log in the Palo Alto. So we need to wait for some time. Means something is still going on the back end. So that's why. Yeah. So once PA HDF login will come, then you need to start. Give admin. And then once it asks for the password, again give admin. If it is not taking, means again you need to wait. Wait for some time. Yeah. Now give old password, new password. And in this way, you are able to log in the firewall. Okay. Show system info. Now you can able to see the IP address is this 192.168.48.129. Let me log in it. 192.168.48. Dot, go back there. 48.129. 129. Okay. And in this way, you can able to log in your firewall. Write down your credentials somewhere else so that you can log in it later on also. And in this way, you can able to log in your Palo Alto VM. Okay, guys. So thank you for listening me. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Happy learning.